Hello, this is Carlos. I'm doing application 4, and then I'm reading off this laptop. So, the issue, number 1, was how unpopular the decision was to remove the dislike button on YouTube. The data was collected on a Reddit poll, and we used convenient sampling. The type of technique to collect this data was sample proportion. The P equaled 5,300, the Q equaled 237, and the sample size equaled 5,600. The margin of error was, let me see. So you had to go through like a couple steps. At first it was 1.96, and then that was square rooted by 0.946 times 0.042 divided by 5,600, which calculated to be, so it's a long number, 0.005220745, which then was rounded to 0.005, which was finally equal to 0.945. And then to get the upper bound, we just add that final number to 0.025, and same thing with the lower bound, but we subtract. So our upper bound, when we added 0.025, we got 0.975, and the lower bound we got 0.925. The 95% of the population proportion is not represented by the data that lies between 0.925 and 0.975, in the upper and the lower bound, basically. And then I wrap this up by saying this is not representative because it is targeted at a population that agrees on the same thing. It is also not a reliable source. This poll is not representative of the entire population because it is targeted at a group of people in which all agree on the same thing. This survey could be redone by posting it on a more reliable source, such as YouTube itself, and with an unbiased video to explain the situation for those who do not understand.